TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we got volatility in both directions right now. All the markets in the green. We get the S&Ps up 22 points right now, trading at 36.04. We're off of the highs of the session. We have more good vaccine news, this time coming out of Moderna, 94.5% effective, and it may reduce severe cases. On top of that, we'll jump into that in a moment. That news hitting the market about 6:45 this morning. S&Ps trade up to a spike high of 36.35. We open in the market at 9:30 above 36.10. We just got a little bit of an acceleration lower to 35.96. We're trading at 36.03. NASDAQ 100 had been lower. You see the NASDAQ dropping. Technology stocks taking a hit as some of the work from home stocks have benefited so much during these restrictions. The fear is, right, the economy opens back up. Some of those tech stocks, they're pulling back, giving back some of those gains. But the NASDAQ, actually, NASDAQ 100 slipping back into positive, up 25 points right now at 11,959. You see that we're about 100 points off of the low you got at 720 this morning. The Dow had been up. Look at that, the Dow. How about forget about that entire pop you got at 7 a.m. this morning? Remarkable. We'll go over the numbers because you're looking at the S&P. Pretty similar action, as in you're now below. The markets were already in positive territory coming into this announcement. Okay, we're now 5 points below where we were at 7 in the morning. And we got to jump over to some of the commodities. Crude catching quite a bid on that news, but giving back some of the gains as well. Was above 42. We're trading at 41.42 now. Gold, on the flip side, had traded lower. We've gained back all of those losses right up to 18.90, actually, literally right to where we were. Currently trading 18.95. Notes and bonds, quick move down, reclaiming some of those losses. 138.02 right now. We're dealing with a 10-year yield of right at about 0.9%. And we'll jump over to the VIX this morning. Volatility index, 23.47. We'll jump over to Moderna shares. Look at that. Given back more than $10 to 93. And to see the numbers, they had 90 coronavirus cases in the placebo, 5 participants for those that became sick, for those taking the vaccine, and also appear to be effective in preventing the most serious infections. No severe cases among people who got the vaccine compared to 11 with the placebo. Interesting market both ways, folks. Stay tuned. Live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back.